The primary responsibility of greenside marshals is to assist with controlling spectators by helping to provide a consistent and fair playing environment for all players. Greenside marshals should position themselves along the rope lines or grandstands. As a player steps in to address their ball, greenside marshals should turn and face the spectators with their hands raised to signal that a stroke is being played. When play on the hole is complete, greenside marshals will assist with exit ropes from their hole to entrance ropes for the next hole. Assisting with the movement from green to tee is critical to maintaining an acceptable pace of play. In order to have the exit open, you'll need to work with spectators to remind them that the players will be walking through an area to reach the next tee. Spectators may be required to move if they decide to stand in that area. You should begin to clear the exit path utilizing the ropes after the first player has holed out. Once the player group has proceeded to the next tee, the spectator walkway may be reopened. To do that, Marshal number 1 must replace the rope to shut off access to the putting green. Then, Marshals number 2 and number 3 reopen the spectator walkway while closing off access to the next teeing ground. The most critical aspect of reopening a gate is for the Marshal team to be efficient. Sometimes, in heavily trafficked areas, opening and closing rope lines will happen simultaneously. In this situation, proceed quickly and avoid dragging the rope lines as they could get tangled amongst spectators. Practices to remember. Putting green marshals should position themselves adjacent to the rope line. Do not congregate immediately adjacent to or on putting surfaces in between groups. Work with the spectators so that they'll help you. Become familiar with the steps necessary to operate the gates, including working with marshals on the next teeing ground. Plan to have the gates open in advance of players moving toward them. Make sure the entire player group has moved along before closing. Keep ropes off the ground to prevent trips and falls. Do not take photos or ask for autographs while on duty. And do not initiate conversation with the players.